Good afternoon, my dear students. It's another week of learning, and I have prepared another video to discuss the lesson. Please watch, enjoy, and learn.
Good afternoon, grade 9. Our lesson for today is about plant nutrition. All living organisms need to take many different substances into their bodies. Some of these may be used to make new parts or repair old parts. Others may be used to release energy. Taking in useful substances is called feeding or nutrition. Animals and fungi cannot make their own food. They feed on organic substances that have originally been made by plants. Green plants make their own food. They use simple inorganic substances such as carbon dioxide, water, and minerals from the air and soil. Plants build these substances into complex materials, making all the carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and vitamins that they need. Substances made by living things are said to be organic. Green plants make the carbohydrate glucose from carbon dioxide and water. At the same time, oxygen is produced. If you just mix carbon dioxide and water together, they will not make glucose. They have to be given energy before they will combine. Green plants use the energy of sunlight for this. The reaction is therefore called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means manufacture. However, sunlight shining onto water and carbon dioxide still will not make them react together to make glucose. The sunlight energy has to be trapped and then used in the reaction. Green plants have a substance which does this. It is called chlorophyll. So what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the pigment which makes plants look green. It is kept inside the chloroplast of plant cells. When sunlight falls on a chlorophyll molecule, some of the energy in the light is absorbed. The chlorophyll molecule then releases the energy. The released energy makes carbon dioxide combine with water with the help of enzymes inside the chloroplast. The glucose that is made contains energy that was originally in the sunlight. So in this process, light energy is transferred to chemical energy. As we have mentioned earlier, photosynthesis is the process of making food by the plants. It comes from the word photo, which means light, and synthesis meaning manufacture. The full equation for photosynthesis is written as carbon dioxide plus water with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll to give glucose and oxygen. To show the number of molecules involved in the reaction, a balance equation needs to be written. The balance equation for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 6H2O to give you C6H12O6 plus 6O2, where CO2 stands for carbon dioxide reacting with water, again in the presence of sunlight absorbed by the chlorophyll to give glucose and oxygen gas. Notice that oxygen molecules contain two atoms of oxygen and so they are written as O2. Photosynthesis happens inside chloroplast. This is where the enzymes and chlorophyll are that catalyze and supply energy for the reaction. In a typical plant, most chloroplasts are in the cells in the leaves. A leaf is a factory for making carbohydrates. Leaves are therefore specially adapted to allow photosynthesis to take place as quickly and efficiently as possible. The parts of a leaf are the following: the leaf lamina, the petiole or the leaf stalk, the node, stem, stipules, midrib, vein, blade, and the tip. What are the functions of these parts of the leaf? The lamina. The lamina is a broad, flat part which is joined to the rest of the plant by a leaf stalk or petiole. Running through the petiole are vascular bundles which then form the veins in the leaf. These contain tubes which carry substances to and from the leaf. Although a leaf looks thin, it is in fact made up of several layers of cells. You can see this if you look at a transverse section of the leaf, which will be our lesson next meeting.
That's the end of the lesson. I hope you learned something from today's discussion. See you again next time. Bye!